I'm Stacy. Pleasure to be with you in Lexington 1 today.
And I'm Clinton, although I'm sure I need no introduction.
Clinton, let's first take a look at some shirts that just don't work. Remember, clothes need to be modest. Modesty is the key. Make sure shirts cover up your stomach, right, Clinton?
Although I might like it, stomachs are not for work unless you're a professional belly dancer. And the same thing with tank tops and halter tops. People cover those shoulders. Tank tops need to be at least 3 inches across. That makes them appropriate for the workplace.
And remember, ladies and gentlemen, nothing's see-through. If we can see through it, keep it home. T-shirts for women, even ones with collars, sometimes send the wrong message in the workplace. Make sure your shirts are neither too baggy or too tight. These shirts are great for running errands on the weekends, but not good for your work wardrobe.
Same thing goes for men. Make sure you wear shirts with collars, like polo shirts. Make it a good fit too. Now Stacy, what shirts work for the workplace? Well, here are some examples.
A great jacket or blazer adds so much to an outfit. It completely changes the look and lets you dress up your work pants. And it keeps you covered up.
And you can never go wrong with a button-down shirt. Always classy, folks. Always classy. And let's talk about bottoms that just don't work. Oh, no, ladies. Remember that skirts worn in the workplace need to start near the knee.
And men, wear those pants at your waistline. For goodness sakes, don't have your underwear hanging out. Underwear is called underwear for a reason. Guys and gals, we do not wear jeans or jogging pants to work. Yes, we know they are comfy, but it's easy to find a nice pair of slacks that is just as comfortable. And ladies, here's another great tip. Capris are great for a day of shopping with friends or at the park with your kids, but they are not a professional piece of a working woman's wardrobe.
For the workplace, it is better to wear slacks or a skirt. Also, while we're at it, Stacy, take a look at those shoes. Is she headed to the beach with those flip-flops? Your shoes always say something about your professional wardrobe. Make sure they are working class shoes. Men, stay away from shorts at work. Yes, it gets hot in South Carolina, but you can always find a great pair of khaki pants that can be just as cool.
You might be asking, what bottoms do work?
Wow, now that is a great long skirt, and those pants are very stylish, perfect for the workplace.
And those men know how to dress. And remember, accessories are always a do. They can really make an outfit pop. And Clinton, one accessory that everyone here at Lexington 1 should not be without is a photo ID. Why, I even have one. Now that you know what not to wear in the office, remember, we'll be watching.
Next time we show up, we'll bring a video camera. You might end up on our show and national TV.
Until next time, Lexington 1, I'm Stacy.
And I'm Clinton.
And now you know what not to wear.